Okay, so I got two vacuum cleaners here. This one's my one, the Dyson dc54. I love it. I've had it for 6 months. It hasn't skipped a beat. It's got the turbo head. And then my friend went out and bought the Hoover Allergy. And I think it's silly. You should have got the Dyson. This one's worth $7.99. The Hoover, I paid $1,000 for my one. As I said, I love it, but I want to see which one picks up better. I'll just confirm that they're both empty. So you can see that's empty. It's funny, this canister sometimes. Okay, and the Hoover. You can see that's almost empty. Beautiful, that's empty. Okay, so have you got the stopwatch there? Yeah. So just yell out when I get to 30 seconds. Go.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's the Hoover's turn. So the Hoover has the power head. The Dyson just has a turbo head. So, you ready? I like these lights. I didn't notice the lights. I like the power head actually. It's good. So just two random bits of carpet.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do the Dyson first. Oh, okay. Okay, so you can see a bit of fluff. It's actually a fair bit of dirt. It's pretty good by the Dyson. Okay. Let's see how much the Hoover it's taken out. Oh my god. It's disgusting. Look at that. It's like 5 times more dirt than the Dyson. My god. Shit. I think I'm going to have to go out and buy the Hoover now. It's like 5 times more dirt. That's disgusting. Yuck. Look what lives in my carpet. Yuck. Yuck. I'm buying the Hoover. Shit.